Hey guys, a while back I posted a tutorial for a couple different rose knot variations. I'll add a link in the description for you if you're interested in that tutorial. Today I have another rose knot variation that uses a completely different method to create it. Let's get started. Here's what the finished knot looks like in natural, bisque, and then a combo of bisque rope and natural string. Cut 6 feet of cord in the color of your choice, or if you're wanting to use 2 colors as I did for the third knot, cut 3 feet in one color, 3 feet in the other, and tape them together. Fold in half and attach your cords to your dowel using a lark's head knot. If you're using 2 colors, hide the taped section at the back of your work when tying the lark's head knot. Here's a quick look at the front and back of the knot. Grab the cord on the right. Create a loop by bringing the end of the cord in front of the cord attached to your dowel. Thread the end of the cord through the loop from back to front. Bring the end of the cord around to the left in front of the cord attached to your dowel and then thread the end through the loop again from back to front. Grab the cord on the left, thread the end through the loop on the right from front to back. You will now create another loop on the left. Grab the end and thread it from front to back through the loop. Grab the end and thread it through the loop on the right and again through the loop on the left. Adjust the cords as I've done here. I'll show you one more time. Thanks so much for watching.